you have demanded that you think Eric Holder should resign. Tell us why.
Well, I mean, for one thing, it's a long list of, I think, just attacks on the American Constitution. You remember this, the Christmas Day bomber reading the Miranda rights to the Christmas Day bomber, claiming that he would read legal rights to the dead corpse of Osama bin Laden, claiming that in Fast and Furious, obviously, claiming that he had nothing to do with that investigation and that he had nothing to do with the unfortunate loss of life on the border. The contempt of Congress, with 17 members of the Democratic House voting in favor of contempt. I mean, and now the AP, and he says, hey, listen, I'm going to recuse myself because you know what? I talk to the press once in a while, so therefore I'm going to recuse myself.
Oh, I think we should have a special prosecutor, special counsel being appointed. Let me play the latest RNC ad that you put out and tell us why you put this ad out at this time.